Hey, you know how it is with girls, right? Sometimes they've got a ton of little worries that guys just don't get. Like, do you think he turned you down? Man, love can be tough. But I still believe that most girls are genuine, kind, and dependable. They're considerate of their geeky guy friends even when they turn them down. They show their love in their own ways. If you catch on early and make your move, you won't lose out to another guy. But here's the thing, when a girl turns you down, it's not because she wants to annoy you. She doesn't want to take up too much of your free time. I know some guys might argue with me on this. But shouldn't a guy prefer a girl who can give him some space? Let me share a story about my cousin. Under my guidance, he dated a few people, but they all ended up breaking up. Why? Because he couldn't trust them at all. No matter what he was doing or where he was, they would always check up on him. Even when he was out of town for work or at a company meeting, they'd ask him to video call to prove he was alone. It got to the point where he didn't have time to hang out with his friends anymore. He had no freedom. Life like that is exhausting. Eventually, my cousin had to break up with them. But his new girlfriend is totally different. She trusts him completely. They give each other enough personal space and have more free time. A girl who gives her guy enough space isn't unloving. She loves him so much that she's afraid of losing him by being too controlling. So she satisfies his needs. This kind of love is intense. Another thing is that a girl might turn you down because you're spending too much on her. If you don't buy stuff for me, does that mean you're not sincere? The guys who chased me before would buy stuff for me. If you hear these words, no doubt the girl sees you as a wallet. But whether a girl is sincere or not depends on a lot of things. You can hint at your financial difficulties. A girl who's after your money might start to distance herself from you. But a girl who truly loves you will comfort you, share your pain, and worry about you. She'll even refuse you to spend money on her. A girl like this understands that making money isn't easy. They're considerate of men and can put themselves in your shoes. They know when enough is enough. Finding someone to love in life isn't easy, especially when it's mutual love. But hey, that's just how it is. Just cherish the person you have now. I hope everyone can find someone who understands, loves, and cares about them. Someone who can share the ups and downs with you. We're all in the same boat. Everything that's meant to come will come. So take it easy. If you want to learn how to chat with girls, want to learn how to attract girls, want her to chase you, or if you're in love and chasing a girl, or need help with emotional issues related to dating recovery, then pay more attention to my video sharing. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. You can also share these fascinating insights with your family and friends. Hit the subscribe bell and you'll be notified when new videos are posted. Here's the Dark Psychology World channel. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.